Good morning. Where are you going today?
Good morning. I am going to London.
Oh, London. That's nice. Do you have your passport?
Yes, I have my passport here.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes, I have a ticket too.
What time is your flight?
My flight is at 10 o'clock.
Is it a long flight?
Yes, it is a long flight.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, this seat is free.
Thank you. May I sit here?
Of course. Please sit down.
Do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, I like traveling by plane. And you?
Yes, but sometimes I feel nervous. Would you like some water?
Yes, thank you.
Here you are.
Thanks a lot.
How long is the flight?
It is about 8 hours.
That is a long flight.
Yes, but I can watch movies.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
Good evening. What is your name?
My name is Anna Smith.
Welcome, Miss Smith.
Do you have a single room?
Yes, we have a single room.
How much is it per night?
It is $80 per night.
That's fine. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is at 7 o'clock.
Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What places do you want to see?
I want to see the museum.
That's a good idea. Do you want to visit the park?
Yes, I want to visit the park too.
How about the castle?
Yes, I love castles.
How do we get there?
We can take a bus.
Or we can take a taxi.
The bus is cheaper.
Yes, let's take the bus. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What countries have you visited?
I have visited France, Italy, and Japan.
That's wonderful. What is your favorite country?
My favorite country is Italy
Why do you like Italy?
because the food is delicious.
Do you travel alone or with friends?
I usually travel with friends.
I usually travel with family. Do you want to travel again soon?
Yes, I want to travel next year.
Where do you want to go? Hello, where are you going today?
I am going to London. And you?
I am going to New York.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, I have my passport. Do you have yours?
Yes, I do.
What time is your flight?
My flight is at 10 o'clock.
My flight is at 11 o'clock.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes, here's my ticket.
Good. I also have my ticket. Where's the check-in desk?
The check-in desk is over there.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
I have 2 bags. Do you want a window seat or an aisle seat?
I want a window seat, please.
I want an aisle seat. Let's go through security.
Okay, please take off your shoes.
No problem.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Welcome. What is your name?
My name is Anna Smith.
How many nights will you stay?
I will stay for 3 nights.
Okay, here is your key.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Where is the elevator?
The elevator is on the left.
Thank you very much. I am hungry. Do you want to? Excuse me, can I see the menu?
Here is the menu.
I would like chicken and rice, please.
I would like fish and salad, please.
What do you want to drink?
I want water. And you?
I want orange juice.
After lunch, do you want to go sightseeing?
Yes, let's go to the museum.
Good idea. Do you want to go shopping?
Yes, I want to buy souvenirs.
How much is this t-shirt?
It is $20.
That is too expensive. Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, you can. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Me too. Traveling is fun.
It's time to go now.
Yes, I need to catch my flight.
Safe travels.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.